This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's go to the left bank, a few steps from the plant's garden in Saint-Ouen-de-Pierrecourt Street. Nothing to do with the Saint-Ouen Abbey, located on the right bank. Saint-Ouen-de-Pierrecourt Street refers to a wealthy man, the Count of Saint-Ouen-de-Pierrecourt, born in 1819 and died in 1901. During his life, the Count made an atypical legacy to the city, a sum of money representing around 8 million francs at the time, or around 3 billion euros today. In return for this sum, the Count had a wish, the creation, by the city, of an annual prize of 100,000 francs at the time to endow a couple of giants. Why this price? Quite simply with the aim of endowing a couple of giants, who would be ready to marry in order to help the physical regeneration of the human race. Moreover, in his will, the Count took his wishes very seriously, even to the point of requiring the visit of a doctor to the participants' homes. Nevertheless, his will was never implemented by the city, and this provision of the will even gave rise to some legal disputes for some of his relatives.